Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. This is Natasha with Joanne's Garden. I got a lot of questions on how to get clippings from a Coleus, so there's going to be a short tutorial on how to do that and actually grow other plants from your clippings. So if you look at this plant, you will see that there is a short area. This can definitely use some trimming. So I want to show you how to do that. Right here, I want to go below this these little leaves right here, but I want to go above these little small leaves, give them some space and sunlight to grow. So you just want to clip this right here. Now, we want this one to grow into another plant. So what we want to do is just pinch off these. You're not hurting the plant, guys. You want to pinch off these leaves, okay? Some of these baby leaves. So what's going to happen when you're pinching off, these right here are actually going to grow some roots on it. And we're just going to pinch off right here. See how I'm just going along and just pinching? Okay. And see, we're going to have some knobs right here. And then that's what's going to form those roots. We're going to pinch off. I know these leaves are pretty and you feel like you just probably feel guilty cutting them off. But guys, trust me, we're going to cut these leaves off right here. Okay? And that's how you do clippings. All right, if you have any questions, put in the comment. God bless you. Have a good day.